In every corner of the earth, nature reveals its breathtaking beauty and intricate balance. It awakens a sense of wonder and the drive to explore. From the tranquil forests to the icy oceans, each element plays its part in the grand symphony of life. In sports, we mirror this natural drive for excellence. With every descent, every stride, every synchronized effort, we push our limits. Together, we achieve greatness, embracing the thrill of the unknown, finding grace in every move, and strength in every stroke. In every drive, excellence is in motion. And in every journey, the joy of discovery. At Midas, we bring the same dedication to your vehicle. Our experts ensure every detail is perfect. Trust Midas to keep you safe and confident on the road, whether you're exploring the great outdoors or heading to an important event. Midas, inspired by nature, driven by excellence.